Hey guys, there's a lot of interesting stuff happening in the generative AI space. The models, they keep getting cheaper, they keep getting better, more intelligent, and the larger companies have already started implementing this stuff. But for the smaller companies, now the challenge is to figure out how to leverage this enormous power to expand business, cut costs, increase revenue, all of that. One of the use cases that I was thinking about is customer service agents. There comes a point in every business's life cycle where they start requiring, needing customer service reps for inbound and outbound processes. So as you can see, it's $19.71. That's the national average in the United States for the salary hourly on W-2 for a customer service rep. So how can an AI agent help us? Basically, instead of hiring a human for $3,000, which is a lot of money for small businesses that don't really have the system set up for hiring, posting, interviewing. There's no pipeline set up for this. Instead, they can just leverage an AI agent, which would cost them $99, and that would be able to handle all of the same customer service tasks for them. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a look at an example where I create a customer service agent for a dental office. It's going to take inbound calls and set up appointments and provide dentist information, the available times, appointment times, and what insurance I can use. So I have this training data. I'm going to copy this, which I generated using this simple prompt. I provided the dental office's information and what I want. And then I go ahead and go to ElevenLabs, create a support agent, name it Omega Dental Office. Now this agent, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm Eric with Omega Dental Offices, and then I'll say answer in 3 sentences to keep it short and precise. Be friendly and professional. And then I'm going to pass in that data that we just copied as the knowledge base. This is the training data for this agent. We'll do add item and we'll perform save. Now I'm going to try to book an appointment with this agent and see if it works. Keep in mind this is going to be a very basic demo. For a production application, production agent, we would have to provide a lot more information, do a lot more work.
Eric with Omega Dental Offices. How can I help you today?
Hi Eric, I wanted to see if I can schedule an appointment. I'm having a toothache on the top right side of my teeth.
I'm sorry to hear you're having a toothache. Let me check our availability for today. Do you have any insurance you'd like us to file, or will you be paying out of pocket?
I have Alpha Omega insurance.
Okay, I'll check for openings with a dentist who accepts Alpha Omega insurance. Let me see. Dr. Chang has openings at 1 and 3 today. Would either of those times work for you?
Yes, I can come at 3 p.m.
Great. I've booked you an appointment with Dr. Chang at 3 today. Please arrive a few minutes early to fill out some paperwork. Do you have any other questions?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll see you at 3. Have a great day.
As you can see, it sounds very natural and very human-like, but it can have errors because our training data is just a prompt. We would have to pass it. We can pass in employee policy handbooks as training data. We can pass in more rich information about the organization, and that will make this agent much better. The models are going to keep getting better, so it's going to sound more and more like a human, and it's going to perform satisfactory customer service experience.